It does have to be turned. So I might be in the right position right now. Hopefully. Nope. So let's say we got can't tell where we're at. That's probably upside down. Let's go more that way. Let's see. Funny thing is, I think that their key will not work in it. I think that it was just jammed. But either way, the lock, it's supposed to be turned when these come out, and it's not turned, so there's something wrong with this lock. Yeah, it does turn, but barely. So that key was, I guess they did rekey it, but it's going bad anyway. Put the new lock in, wherever I put it. What did I do with the screw? I lost the screw. I'm going to reuse the old one, that's the right size. Video to see where I put it. Oh, it's in the ref. That's a real short one. Alright, it's all done. Just give it a quick little. Should be works. Adios.